Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to read aloud response in ChatGPT. Now, first of all, make sure that you have installed ChatGPT on your smartphone. To do that, just go to the Play Store. From here, search ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, I have already installed ChatGPT on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet on your smartphone, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, let's ask ChatGPT something like write an essay of 200 words. Now from here, tap on send. Now I have asked ChatGPT to write an essay of 200 words about the benefits of green apples. And as you can see, it generated the essay. But if you want ChatGPT to read the result for you, just press and hold on the result, and from here tap on read aloud.
Green apples, particularly varieties like Granny Smith, offer numerous health benefits that make them a great addition to a balanced diet. Packed with essential nutrients, they are a rich source of dietary fiber.
Now, as you can see, this is how you can read aloud the response in ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.